Well, it's a Wednesday. About 10 after 7. And it's 20 degrees on the 30th of November. Heavy frost. You can see it on the roof there. Almost looks like snow. Supposed to get some heavy rain later. Temperatures in the 40s. Got the king coat gloves on this morning because it's 20 degrees. Should be warm enough. Got to retire the non-flannel lined jeans and get the LL Beans back on. If these weren't very old jeans, they'd be okay, but the fabric is, you probably see a flashlight if you're shining a flashlight through it. Oh boy. I think my brother had a kerosene delivery. He heats his home with kerosene. And $7.62 a gallon. So that's ridiculous. I can't remember what I paid for heating oil, but $7.62 to heat your home. That's insane. And he has forced hot air, which comes on nice quick, but also it goes away real quick. When you have a hot water baseboard, at least you get some residual heat coming up from the water in the pipes. I guess it's could be a wash because it takes a while to get that hot water in the pipes where the forced hot air is already heating that place. But let's see. I don't know what critter's been in here, but Flynn likes to go smell it around there all the time. Last day of the month, which is pension day, so my pension gets deposited today. Pay some bills. And mail in my home insurance payment. Home insurance went up last year because of the rise in lumber prices. But it stayed the same this year, which is good. That's the people in the camper, their dogs. I did get out hunting yesterday. Only saw one bird. Unfortunately, it was the sun was low in the sky, and the bird was in the direction I was looking at in the sun, so I couldn't really see to take a shot. On a day like today, it'd be ideal to be able to see it, but it was bright sunshine. So the count this year for birds is still at 2. There'll be 1 month left in bird hunting season. The Google Earth pictures they're dated the 16th of September this year, and over by the Parker shack there, house, whatever you want to call it, there's a big circle where the cow had been tied, and the grass is all eaten down to the ground in a big circle. Well, the cow is gone now. Flynn, come on. Flynn. Get. Get out of there. Come on. I hear some vehicles off to the west. I don't know what it is. Whether that's an airplane. I can't tell. That's definitely a truck. Come on. Flynn, come on. Now, what do you think he sees? Or smells? Yeah, let's find the spot. Very awkward spot. There's a rooster. All right, buddy? Yeah, Flip's got blizzards on this morning. Yeah, the rooster finally woke up, man. Heard some heavy vehicle going through this morning around 5 o'clock. So, sound like a dog real close. Yeah, I think that truck is coming up here. Yeah. Come. Come. Come, let's go. Be a good boy. My buddy. Yep. Come, let's go. Went to Springfield yesterday morning to pick up our mail. On the way back, we drove past my brother Todd's place. I know it was the kerosene delivery truck. Made a mess out of his driveway, went off. The driveway said west as a hair. Oh. Can't go gloves on to the truck this morning. Gonna get back to the battery operated ones. I'm sure if I had rotated my or alternated my hands, put them in my pockets, they'd be fine, but I had the left hand out too long. So yesterday was Tuesday, 2 weeks after the election, midterms, and the Colorado representative seat still hasn't been officially called. Lauren Boebert is ahead by about 500 solid votes, with 99% of the precincts reporting. So how, 2 weeks after the fact, is it still stuck at 99%? So I'm on Twitter, and her Twitter account allows messages, direct messages. So I sent her a direct message, or her staff actually, asking how can it be that 2 weeks later we still don't know the results. And I doubt I'll get a reply. But I sent her a message a while ago and never got a reply. Oh boy. All right, buddy, let's go in the house. The tips of my ears aren't as bad as yesterday. Because yesterday was what, 15? It's in the 20s now. Cellular game cameras. One of them had 30 snapshots. Turned out to be a rabbit or hare. And the other one had, I think, 17. And on the side of one frame was a doe. Not a very good picture, but it was a doe on the northeast to my right. I did go out to the barn yesterday and put air in the side-by-side rear tires. They were getting flat again. And the front right tire on the ATV, the Sportsman 500. I didn't make my way back to the Scrambler. Ralph King sent me a text and he's selling his his Sportsman 850 to his uncle Ron. Ron had sold his Scrambler and was looking for a new machine, but he had driven Ralph's in October and liked it, and so Ralph is selling him his 850, and Ralph is either going to buy a new 570. Come on, buddy. Or not. Let's go in the house. New 570, or his friend Steve has a 1000. So we'll see. But Ron will be looking for me to store the 850 up here. When he moves to Florida. Come on, buddy, let's go. In the house. Where's Rita? Come. There she is. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.